In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money dropshipping, especially tailored for beginners in 2025. The world of dropshipping may appear complex, but by breaking it down step by step, we can turn an intimidating task into an achievable goal. Let's dive in. First, the foundation of your dropshipping business starts with choosing a niche and finding products. This step is pivotal because selecting a niche that not only interests you, but also has a robust market demand, sets the tone for your business. Start by researching popular products and trends in areas that capture your interest. This research ensures that you're not just passionate about your niche, but it's also profitable. Once you've identified a promising market, the next step is to find dropshipping suppliers. Look for suppliers who provide quality products and have a solid reputation within your chosen niche. Building a strong relationship with a reliable supplier is crucial for smooth operations and consistent quality. With your niche established and suppliers lined up, it's time to set up your Ecwid store. If you don't have an account yet, head over to Ecwid's website and sign up. For those ready with an account, log in to start configuring your store. Choose a store name that's catchy yet relevant, and don't forget to configure basic settings such as currency and shipping options to align with your business model. Now it's time to add your products. Upload comprehensive product information, which includes detailed descriptions, striking images, and competitive pricing. Ensure that your product listings are clear and appealing to convert casual browsers into buyers. Next, let's talk payment methods. Integrating reliable payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or Square is essential to process sales efficiently. By doing so, you offer customers the payment flexibility they expect in today's digital marketplace. Shipping methods need attention too. Consider setting up various options such as self-pickup, postal or delivery services, and third-party fulfillment to suit different customer needs. This flexibility can enhance the shopping experience and build loyalty. Ecwid provides the added advantage of customization, allowing you to personalize your store's look and feel using diverse themes and options. This capability helps create a memorable brand presence that resonates with your target audience. Selling on Ecwid is versatile, allowing you to expand your reach by selling on multiple platforms. Whether it's your own website, social media, or other marketplaces, consider leveraging platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and more. Ecwid's tools can help seamlessly integrate with these platforms, turning them into extensions of your online store. In conclusion, by creating a compelling customer-oriented e-commerce store using Ecwid and smartly integrating social media and marketing tools, you can effectively build and improve your online business. Keep refining your strategy and you'll be well on your way to making money in the dynamic world of dropshipping.